Quiz 7. Number 1. What function in plant cells is comparable to an animal eating food? A. Chloroplasts absorbing solar energy for cellular activities. B. Nuclei directing cellular activity from information held in DNA. C. Vacuoles storing wastes, protecting the rest of the cell from contamination. D. Cell walls providing rigidity and support for the cell structure. Number 2. What is the function of organelle number 3? A. Cytophotosynthesis in a plant cell. B. Rigid outside support of the cell. C. Storage site of the cell. D. Provides energy for the cell. Number 3. What is the function of organelle number 1? A. Cytophotosynthesis in a plant cell. B. Rigid outside support of the cell. C. Storage site of the cell. D. Provides energy for the cell. Number 4. Chloroplasts are oval discs containing green chlorophyll in plant cells. Animal cells lack chloroplasts because they: A. Do not perform photosynthesis. B. Have cilia for movement. C. Use mitochondria for photosynthesis. D. Do not have cell walls. Number 5. Which is the correct order of genetic information organization from smallest to largest? A. Nucleus, chromosomes, gene, DNA. B. Genes, DNA, chromosomes, nucleus. C. Chromosomes, genes, DNA, nucleus. D. Genes, chromosomes, nucleus, DNA. Number 6. Which is the molecule that carries genetic instructions and acts like a blueprint of the human body? A. Genes. B. Chromosomes. C. DNA. D. Nucleus. Number 7. Which of the following is a type of asexual reproduction? A. Budding. B. Splitting. C. Both A and B. D. Fertilization. Number 8. All of the following are advantages of sexual reproduction except: A. It takes longer to reproduce. B. High genetic diversity. C. High survival rate. D. 2 genes per trait instead of 1. Number 9. All of the following are advantages of asexual reproduction except: A. Short reproduction time. B. Low survival rate. C. No energy required to find a mate. D. Large number of offspring can be produced quickly. Number 10. Pollination and flower reproduction are both types of: A. Sexual reproduction. B. Asexual reproduction. C. Budding. D. Splitting. Number 11. Provided is a table of organisms and some data on their characteristics. Based on the information in the table, which organism is likely to produce offspring that are genetically diverse? A. Hydra. B. Rosebush. C. Largemouth bass. D. Both rosebush and largemouth bass. Number 12. Name the levels of organization in the human body in order. A. Tissue, organ system. B. Organ system, tissue, organs, cells. C. Cells, tissue, organs, organ system. D. Cells, organs, tissue, organ system. Number 13. Animal cells are considered eukaryotic and bacteria cells prokaryotic. This is because A. Animal cells grow at a much slower rate than bacteria cells. B. The cell membrane on an animal cell is much more rigid. C. Animal cells require energy from outside food sources. D. The genetic material of animal cells is stored in a nucleus. Number 14. Use the following table for question 14. Which of the following organisms is considered prokaryotic? A. Organism A. B. Organism B. C. Organisms A, C, and D. D. Organisms B and D. Number 15. An amoeba is a one-celled organism. The cell theory states that which of the following characteristics of amoebas must be true? A. All amoebas have a regular, spherical shape. B. All amoebas move rapidly using a cilia. C. All amoebas have organelles called chloroplasts. D. All amoebas come from other amoebas. Number 16. The number of cells in two separate petri dishes was recorded over a period of 20 days. The data shown in the table best illustrates which part of the cell theory. A. All living things are made up of cells. B. Cells are the basic unit of living things. C. Organisms can be single-celled or many-celled. D. All cells come from pre-existing cells. Number 17. Which of the following is not part of the cell theory? A. All living things are composed of one or more cells. B. The cell is the basic unit of structure and function. C. All cells come from pre-existing cells. D. All cells come from free cell formation. Number 18. Which of the following statements is not true? A. Plant and animal cells have a nucleus, cytoplasm, and mitochondria. B. Only plant cells have chloroplasts and a cell wall. C. Only animal cells have chloroplasts and a cell wall. D. Both plant and animal cells have vacuoles, but the vacuole in a plant cell is larger. Number 19. Which cell organelle is like a solar panel because it uses energy from the sun for its processes? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Vacuole. D. Chloroplast. Number 20. Two unlabeled slides are viewed under a microscope. Slide A has cells with a visible nucleus, mitochondria, a cell membrane, a cell wall, and chloroplasts. Slide B has cells with a visible nucleus, mitochondria, and a cell membrane. How should these slides be labeled? A. Slide A, animal cells. Slide B, animal cells. B. Slide A, animal cells. Slide B, plant cells. C. Slide A, plant cells. Slide B, animal cells. D. Slide A, plant cells. Slide B, plant cells.